Unlocking the mystery of trail leading line. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, trail leading line. This phrase may not be widely used in everyday conversation, but understanding it can significantly enhance your comprehension of English, especially in contexts related to direction, guidance, and storytelling. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how this phrase can add depth to your English language skills. First, let's break down the phrase, trail leading line, into its components. A trail is a path or track laid down by the passage of people, animals, or vehicles. The word leading suggests guidance or direction, indicating the way forward. Finally, a line refers to a long, narrow mark or band. When we combine these terms, trail leading line refers to a guiding path or a direction indicating track that leads from one point to another. It's a metaphorical expression used to describe something that guides or directs movement or thought. The phrase, trail leading line, is often used in contexts where direction, guidance, or a pathway to follow is being described. It can be found in literature, speech, and various forms of writing, where it serves to paint a picture of guidance or directionality. For instance, in storytelling, a trail leading line might be used to describe a character's journey or the plot's direction. In real life, it could refer to physical markers or signs that guide people along a path. To better understand how to use trail leading line in a sentence, here are a few examples. The detective followed the trail leading line of evidence that eventually led to the culprit. In her speech, she used her personal story as a trail leading line to inspire others to overcome adversity. The hikers were grateful for the trail leading line of markers that guided them through the dense forest. Understanding the phrase, trail leading line, enriches your English vocabulary by adding a layer of depth when discussing direction, guidance, or pathways. Whether in literature, speeches, or everyday conversation, knowing how to use this phrase can enhance your expression and comprehension. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of trail leading line for you. Keep exploring English with us, and until next time, happy learning!